Hey Roses, it's Olena from Olena Roseanne, and today I'm going to unbox last month, which it would be February's BoxyCharm. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I got something special, or at least I hope I did, in this box. So stay tuned to see what I have here. Okay, Roses, I'm just now opening up February's BoxyCharm. Decided to go ahead and do this unboxing on camera because this one is supposed to include a complexion product. This one is supposed to include a foundation. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The Luxie Complete Sponge Set, Bake, Contour, and Conceal. So this is nice. I did need some more sponges. I actually just picked up a sponge from Ross yesterday and didn't realize I had some in here. And it does say it includes a detail blender, a precision blender, and a powder blender. And this is from Luxie Beauty. Next item I have here is from EVO Skin Aurora. It's Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. And y'all, I actually just picked up some wipes from Ross yesterday too. I should have looked at my BoxyCharm first, right? Is it cruelty free though? Yes. It says natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty free, gluten free, paraben free, toxic free, and for all skin types. I'll be using that. Okay, next item I have here is the Facial Radiance Pads. It will help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I believe I chose this when it was time to choose what I wanted in that particular BoxyCharm. The next one is from Ciate Everyday Vacay. What is this? Okay, this is concealer. I was hoping it wasn't another blush because I believe in last month or the month before that I got that in a BoxyCharm, and that actually will be given away in an upcoming giveaway. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upcoming giveaway and everything else I have coming. Okay, cute little packaging here. Now this is coconut setting powder. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but the powder is white, so I'm hoping this is translucent, because as you can see with this skin tone, I'm not trying to come out ashy or have flashback. I'll be using this at some point, possibly even today, but it says Everyday Vacay. I like the fact that it's a coconut setting powder, so if you're allergic to coconut, don't use it, but I'm not, so I'll be using it to bake and set makeup. I won't be baking and set, but I do need to set makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish. It'll be interesting to see if this is actually going to help with creasing, because I have creases all over the place, especially underneath my eyes, and that normally shows up no matter what the product says. So I'll be trying that. That's going to be interesting. I have never purchased an all white powder, so and the last thing, exactly what I was waiting for, which is why I haven't done my makeup yet, only eyebrows. But the last item here is from Becca. My first Becca foundation. So this is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the color Maple. I hope this is my color. I don't know. It says it's supposed to give intense pigment and ensures that uneven texture, redness, hyperpigmentation, and other imperfections are concealed. 22% of this is water-based, so we'll add hydration. That's good. And it will give an elastic finish to prevent pigments from setting in lines, dryness, or pores. And it says one pump to perfection. I don't know. Well, let's take this out, because I don't know. It's so hard with colors you got. Y'all, I'm sad because this looks like the color concealer. That may match my chest area better than my face. Okay, the applicator is, oh, it's different. Is it a brush? Is it, I don't know. And y'all know that's way too light for me. I'm sad. Oh, this is pulling out kind of cool. So if I'm able to use this at all, it's going to be in this area. Use it like a concealer. I mean, I like the finish if it would have worked, but it's ashy, so that's it. So anyway, if you're interested in BoxyCharm, make sure you go ahead and check out the website, BoxyCharm.com. Yeah, that was interesting. I could maybe work this. I'm going to have to mix this with something because I'm using this, y'all. This is Becca, okay? So anyway, I just had to share that with you guys. That's everything I got in my February 2020 BoxyCharm. I will talk to you later, roses. Bye, and I'll see you for the next one. Make sure you subscribe.